Introducing the next generation of osmometers, the Advanced Instruments A2O. The A2O is a fully automated, multi-sample osmometer that sets a new benchmark for analytical performance, ease of use, and walk-away operation. The A2O incorporates over 50 years of applied technology experience in the field of freezing point osmometry. The A2O has been intelligently engineered to fully automate testing with ease and simplicity. It is ideally suited for today's busy laboratories that are being asked to achieve more results faster with fewer resources. Operating the A2O is fast and simple. First, open the A2O access door and remove the primary tube carousel. Load the samples onto the carousel, making sure the caps have been removed and the barcode is aligned between the grooves of the sample tube clip holder. The A2O will automatically scan for the presence of sample tubes and barcodes, so it is not necessary to place the samples in any particular order or location on the carousel. Secure the primary tube carousel back into the system. Next, remove the osmometer carousel from the A2O and remove the sample cover. You can load up to 20 sample cups and a new wiper ring onto the carousel. Replace the sample cover and install the carousel back into the system. The A2O will automatically keep track of sample cups remaining and will prompt the operator when replacement is necessary. Close the access door and select the test protocol you wish to run. Press the Start button to initiate the test sequence. It's as easy as that. The A2O will take care of the rest. Let's take a closer look at what happens inside the osmometer when a freezing point measurement is made. Once a sample is introduced in the cooling chamber, it is rapidly supercooled to a predetermined temperature below the expected sample freezing point. This rate of cooling is tightly controlled by the osmometer. While the sample is in the supercooled state, a physical shock called the freeze pulse is introduced to the sample. As a result, the sample becomes partially crystallized, forming an ice-water mixture surrounding the temperature probe. The heat of fusion resulting from the crystallization process raises the sample temperature to a plateau where the liquid-solid equilibrium is maintained. This temperature plateau represents the true freezing point of the solution. The osmometer precisely measures this temperature at the plateau and calculates the concentration in milliosmoles per kilogram of water. This is the test result reported by the osmometer. The A2O combines many advanced features designed to fully automate osmolality testing. Let's take a closer look at how the A2O can benefit your busy laboratory. At the heart of the A2O is an intelligent liquid handling system featuring both liquid level sensing and crash detection capabilities. The pipette system automatically detects the level of the sample in the tube and precisely transfers a 100 microliter sample to a clean sample cup in the osmometer carousel. This eliminates any manual pipetting, which often results in sampling errors and inaccurate test results. The 20-position primary sample tube carousel accommodates any size of sample tube between 11 and 17 millimeters in width and 75 to 125 millimeters in height. Low-volume inserts can also be used. The carousel can also be removed from the system for easier loading. The A2O comes equipped with an integrated barcode scanner and tube presence sensor. The A2O performs an initial scan of the primary sample carousel, identifying both the number of sample tubes present and the barcode ID. The sample identification is confirmed again immediately before the sample is processed, providing positive sample identification. The scanner can be turned off if no barcodes are used, and sample IDs can be entered manually through the keypad function of the software interface. The osmometer carousel holds up to 20 sample cups. The A2O software keeps track of the number of clean sample cups remaining. and will alert the operator when it is time to load replacement cups. The fluid management system automatically cleans the pipette after each sample to prevent carryover and cross-contamination. The A2O system fluid and waste levels are monitored through software control, making it easy to know when fluid replacement is required. The A2O incorporates many features designed to enhance connectivity and data transfer, including bidirectional data communications, onboard computer with a Windows CE operating system, Ethernet connection, and multiple USB ports. The A2O onboard printer allows for easy printout and archiving of test results. The A2O features one of the industry's most advanced user interface and software control packages available. The system operation and configuration features have been thoughtfully developed for today's busy laboratory, providing you easy and flexible operation capabilities. At the center of the A2O operating capabilities is a touchscreen visual display coupled with a menu-driven operating system and an intuitive software user interface. Operating the A2O is a snap. An integrated keypad provides the added ability to operate the system independently from the touch screen. The flexible test setup features of the A2O provide the ability to develop customized sample testing protocols specific to your laboratory or test method. Replicate samples can be processed from the same sample tube for ease of use. A2O system operation and access can be configured a variety of different ways, depending on the needs of your laboratory. Open Access Mode allows for any operator to run samples and configure system settings. A Supervisor mode is available that can restrict access permissions to certain operators, settings, and system operations. System login and password protection capabilities are also available, supporting 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. The A2O also provides the ability to link test results with the operator ID. When you need a test result fast, simply initiate the stat feature and let the A2O do the rest. The stat sample will be seamlessly processed using the same test protocol without disrupting the current test sequence. It's that simple. Let's review the A2O advanced quality control features and capabilities. To ensure accurate results, the A2O features a fully automated calibration protocol that uses a 3-point calibration for the low range of 0 to 2000 milliosmoles and a 4-point calibration for the full range of 0 to 4000 milliosmoles. Statistical graphing and reporting capabilities make it easy to retrieve, view, and export calibration results. The A2O features a built-in system linearity check with statistical reporting capabilities, making it easy to verify linearity over your working test range. Other enabling quality control features of the A2O include the ability to set range limits for control solutions and to take certain actions when control limits are exceeded, statistical monitoring and graphing of daily controls, the ability to track quality control data over time, and construct Levy-Jennings charts. The A2O also offers the ability to store test results over a user-defined period of time, along with an enhanced search capability to retrieve archived test results. Test data can easily be exported to an external data management system or memory device.
One of the goals of the development of the A2O system was to increase laboratory productivity and reduce the work involved, the manual process involved with doing the test. Historically, osmolality testing has always been a manual process. First, a laboratory technician would have to transfer the specimen to the osmometer, perform the test, take the results and bring them to their laboratory notebook or data management system, and then verify whether or not those tests had been validated through their quality control procedures. All along that process, errors can occur because of that. With the A2O system, it completely automates the process in one step. It allows you to do more with fewer resources. It's that simple. The automation with the liquid handling completely eliminates the need for the technician to do any pipetting whatsoever. So what that gives you is improved accuracy, better precision, less operator involvement. One of the design goals of the A2O system was that it had to be adaptable to the different types of laboratories and how they use the osmometer, whether it be the clinical hospital, pharmaceutical, industrial, or research laboratory setting. The A2O system is very adaptable to different workflows and different laboratory environments. We felt that we met our design goals in that aspect with the A2O. The customers that we've spoken with and have seen the system seem to be delighted in the automation, the ease of use, most importantly, the walk-away operation. We believe the A2O will revolutionize the way laboratories approach osmolality testing. It's simply very easy to use, automated, and it provides true walk-away operation, which is important in today's busy laboratory.
Intuitive, powerful, and easy to use, the A2O will provide far-reaching benefits for your laboratory by improving productivity, reducing labor cost, enhancing analytical performance, and optimizing workflow. Discover how the A2O takes osmometry to the next level. Please call 1-800-225-4034 or visit aicompanies.com/A2O to schedule your personal introduction.